Wagwan is a quest them news and this is the same day where they report in New York City. You understand what I say? So you don't know summer is here, so we don't know the thing go already. You see what I say? So here I say right now. 83 degrees today, still dry, you don't need no umbrella, you don't need nothing, so you can style and muggle in your lace front and all them something there. Look good, put on your sundress, put on your tights, make sure you put on your girdle if you think out of control. So me I say, tomorrow now, you're going to need an umbrella tomorrow because it is humid and it's going to be a thunderstorm. 88 degrees, weather still nice, so you can put on a shorts, you can look good and thing, but you know, protect the lace front. You get me? I say, now watch this now. 87 degrees. It's a beautiful day. It is Sunday. And it is also the beginning of summer. And it is also Dad's Day. But guess what? We know them not rate with. Them not rate with them and give a fuck about we. So we not look forward to nothing. You understand me? I say, whatever you get is whatever you get. You understand me? I say. So watch this now. 87 degrees late storm. Then you have strong storm. Beer storm, you know. Drying out now. Drying out like some of them women here will reach all 43-year-old them start dry out. And that's why they same dry out. Alright, so hear me I say right now. You know, so summertime, I saw the thing go, it's chat behind back time. Ladies, be very careful about the friends that you keep. You understand? Because enough of them I got bad mind your outfit, enough of them I got bad mind your hairstyle. Them I got tell you say it don't look good when it really look good. So watch the friend them where you keep. Also, when you drive with people in New York City, pay attention to how them take side road. Because nobody know side road good like people when on insurance and suspended license. So be careful of the people and the friends and the company where you keep. You understand what I say? Make sure you enjoy yourself every day. You understand? Go after them and I'm out.